So we thank all our participants. Thanks for sparing some time with you to spend with us. And I, just like we are enriched, I hope you are enriched too. And we look forward to hosting you again. Nilakshi, any parting remarks from you?
Hey, yes, this is the time, right?
Yeah.
So thank you all, and I don't know about the others, but I'm simply, I'm just. It has been an invigorating 2 days, guys. I did not expect this kind of a session. I don't believe that this is like a first without country. It's simply amazing. I'm short of words for a change, but I am so overwhelmed I can't tell you. So I'll start with. I hope everybody stayed on. I'm just opening up my notes. Just a second, please. So you won't believe it, guys. So Ajay and Nischay contemplated this 2 months back. Ajay, I want Ajay, Nischay, as much as the organizing team can come on video, please, and the rest, if you can just.
Hey, hi, I'm Anilakshi. I'm on
Can
video.
I see you? Yep.
Nilakshi.
Oh, right. Oh my God, you changed after the lockdown, towards in the lockdown. Nischay, where are you?
Antra, we're missing Antra. Antra, come on, speak.
Antra.
Camera, but for us to be visible for everyone, someone have to share the screen like we did with the panelists.
And that someone obviously has to be me. You're making me work very hard for the last 2 days, I can tell you that. Okay, let me do that one more time. So it was almost 2 months ago, right? Archit, there's your camera. Yeah, you almost look the same as your photo, man. That's so rare these days. Okay. Can I see Antra? So Nischay and Ajay, they approached this and they came up with, especially Nischay, you please have to take a bow. I mean, he single-handedly convinced. I said, you want to do an online conference, external speakers? Are you sure? He said, हाँ कर लेंगे. हम लोग एक हफ्ते में ना सब कुछ ready कर देंगे. That was his line, and I was like, oh my God, what am I supposed to say yes to? And from that moment, the way these guys have worked in the background, I'm not understating, I'm not underestimating the amount of efforts that has gone in the background. It is, I mean, as they say, the proof of the pudding is in the execution, and you guys have proved the mettle, and you've seen some of the comments on the family group that, we can actually run an event management offering as an offering. This in the midst of working on 4 live platforms, analytics platforms for live clients, it is simply not a joke. And I'm short of words on how much enthusiasm, passion, and clinical execution has gone in the making of this. It is simply worth a huge bow, and any word will be short of the expression that's befitting the kind of efforts you guys have put in. So thank you. I mean, it's astounding. It's brilliant. I'll talk from the guys who started it all, of course, Nischay, Ajay. Content creation, like they say, right? If you're as good as your content, and it was simply so powerful, so deep, so insightful, so relevant. You just cannot. There was not one session where you felt that this could have been done this way, or there could have been addition of so many things more, or the way it was perfect. right from content creation. So the content creators, Anushya, Dr. Anushya Ghosh, I hope you're there. I didn't see you on video the whole day.
She's there somewhere.
Is she part of the 10 group, Nishchay, or not yet?
No.
No.
I tried adding her, but she didn't pick up the call.
Okay. So Dr. Anushya Ghosh, Archit, I mean those videos, especially the one which you playing this afternoon, I am telling you, I've become a big fan of those videos. I'm going to steal it for all the BD presentations that we will take to the client.
Definitely.
Very nice. Rahul Ghosh, Aishwarya, Archana, Rahul Anand, Rashmita, Ganesh, Manaf, Ishan, the marketing efforts, Ronald, Archana, Samantak, Nitesh, Anuja, again Antra. Then I'll come to the moderators. I mean, some of the guys who were the moderators, I mean, they spoke so well. The talent is like astounding. I was super amazed, right? Right from Kumar, right? Saurabh, Amit, Akash. Akash, you're a brilliant find. That talk of yours, of course, needs a separate credit, but your moderation also is no less less worthy to be talked about. It's amazing. You're a brilliant speaker, a brilliant moderator, and the content, the mix of all of this is a rare find. Yeah, thank you so much. Ashok, Shailesh, I called him a Shane Warne with that googly question to Ashok this evening. And Gaurav, Vidit, and Gaurav also were an excellent combination. Swati, I've always been a fan of yours. You have an excellent voice, your ability to modulate, your ability to focus on some of those highly technical details with so much ease. It's amazing. So guys, I'm really thankful. Amazing, brilliant deliveries, each one of you. Then, of course, the effort of getting all the external speakers on board, right? Mr. Vibhas, Dr. Sandeep, Mr. Amandeep Singh, managing all the clients, getting all the clients on board. And we had such brilliant panel sessions. I mean, it was overwhelming to see the best of best on the screen and talking so much sense, so much learning in such a less time. I can tell you I was cringing when I knew that 2 full days of listening to so many people is going to exhaust everybody. But every minute of each of those panels was simply so exhilarating, was so relevant, and it was so helpful. I'm not sure about the others, but very, very, very well organized. It was flawless from the start to the end. I mean, I wish we could have everybody on the video. By the way, Nishchay, I told you not to come on video without the drink in your hand. You're on mute.
Oops, I'm sorry. Let's have it.
What you've been telling everybody the whole 2 days. Yeah, sorry, go ahead.
I was saying that let's have a drink, let's have a toast after this separately.
You're being the good boy, huh? Okay, fine. So thank you. And thank you to all the audience who are part of this 2-day journey. It almost seems like it could have not. There is nothing in the event that I could speak of which needed a little more improvisation. Honest to God, I mean, super effort, super delivery, I'm not sure if some of the co-team members could join, but Orchi, you want to say something at this juncture, please?
You guys hear me?
Yes, also. Yes.
Okay. Yeah. So again, I was not as involved in the preparation or the run up to the event, to be very honest. So this was an even bigger surprise for me because I was not exactly aware of how much background work was happening. But when I saw it live, it is like the moment of truth, as the CPG companies say, right? I mean, all of you had worked so hard for it, and then it was right there. We were trying a very new concept, not just for us, but I think uh, for the marketplace in general, right? I mean, conferences are not held this way. So we figured out a feature in Teams that can be used, and then so much content that had to be prepared, the questions and coordination for the two panel discussions. And some of the panelists I know through work myself, it was visible that they were really enjoying being part of the panel because of the way everything was organized. So I couldn't have expected anything, definitely nothing better than this. To be honest, even at 15-20% less optimal performance from what we saw, would have deserved a huge round of applause. So what you have done, I mean, you have definitely beaten what I was expecting out of this. So thank you. Extremely proud of you all. Extremely proud of you all. I'm at a short of words to just express how proud I am feeling right now. Fantastic. And this is what I think. Hope you all are learning from these, that so much hard work, so much repeated practice. I'm sure everything looked very well thought out, very well practiced. During the practice, it might sometimes feel that it is, yeah, kya kar raha hu? It's the same cheese I have to speak, right? Oh no, I don't need to practice it again. I can stage manage it. But even stage managing needs practice, and it was very, very obvious that you all have, practiced it, thought it in your minds multiple times over. Uh, Hope this will remain with you. What led to this performance is more important to remember than the performance itself, because if you remember what led to this performance, you'll keep repeating that, and by virtue of that, your performance will get repeated time and again. It was absolutely fabulous, guys. I'm repeating myself because I don't know how else to express my feelings. I mean, it's just I'll have a great weekend given what just happened in the last 2 days.
Yes, and I have to now give one big round of applause to Sid, who has been so patiently, handling his team and all the deliveries and the client interactions during the course of this making. And today we found a new skill. He turned out to be a better moderator than all of that. So cheers and hats off to your patience and efforts there as well. It seemed like you were a natural in that conversation. But I mean, until you try, you don't know, right? Maybe it is your natural ability and you've never given it a try. So hats off to that one as well.
Thank you. And I have my only grouse is with Ashok.
You're on mute.
Yeah, no, I'm not on mute. Guys, can you hear me?
Yep, we can.
Yes.
Yeah. So I have only one grouse with Ashok for calling me Arnab Goswami. So that's something I don't take kindly to. Other than that, hats off, guys. Hats off, the organizing team. Nischay, you were the one who mooted this idea, and look where it got us. So big thanks to you, Ajay. Your presence was, you were omnipresent through it all. Archit, Antra, way to go, guys. I mean, you took time off from your schedules, from your regular deliverables, and you came up with those wonderful videos. A shout goes out to Vidit and to all the presenters. I mean, and the moderators. I mean, Gaurav, Swati, Kumar, Akarsh. Akarsh. I mean, I think the best compliment you got today was from Swati. You are the Duracell. She called you Duracell. It goes on and on, and without any hitches. So, way to go, Akash. It's glad to have you in the team. And guys, I'm so overwhelmed. I cannot. Words fail me. But let me, and I'm not kidding when I say if I were to die tonight, I'll pop off a happy man. That's how I feel. Okay, so but please don't wish for my popping off, so, because I'm going to be here, and I'm going to be a pain in the ass for times to come. Nilakshi says green is the widest.
A little bit from Ajay. I know he cringes the minute I make him do that every time. And a little bit from Nischay, and then Swati as well.
Yeah.
Maybe I'll go first. So as Nilakshi was mentioning earlier, it all started with Nischay coming to me saying that why don't we do this? I mean, since it's going to be a lockdown, this will be a great idea to have a webinar conducted. So I said, yeah, why not? We can do it. And I know we have knowledge sessions that we conduct as part of the Century. But then he said, no, it's not internal. Let's do it external. Let's get external speakers and let's have external audience. It took me some time to even digest the point what he was trying to make, that we should go for an open forum where we have people coming from all organizations and is open to public. So before I went to Nilakshi, I think I took probably half a day to get acquainted to that idea, whether I should even go to Nilakshi and talk about it. But the way it has, I mean, after obviously talking to Nilakshi and after getting an order, the way it has been executed, the way it was planned, and I think all credit goes to Nischay and the entire analytics team. They have been having calls every day, calls till 10, 11 or 12 in the night, because most of them have their daily work to complete, their daily, the project they are part of. So they were taking time after the project to get on calls, to have the content created, have the dry runs conducted, those test runs done, and again identifying a platform to use for these kind of live broadcast event. That itself was a task. It took us almost a week plus to kind of come out with Stream and Microsoft Teams as an option. We had multiple options we listed out, I think, maybe 5 or 6 options, out of which this is the one that came to be most useful. And and I think Microsoft, maybe thanks to Microsoft, I think this was definitely one of the best experience I personally had. The voice quality, the audio quality, the video quality, everything was extremely good. And I feel even the streaming of these videos weren't having any issues, even with a lower bandwidth mobile phone or laptop. The streaming was very much perfect, and the sync, everything was perfect with that. So a big thanks to Abhijit. So he made it happen. So he got the license, those additional licenses he could arrange. Big thanks to him. So yeah, I feel it was definitely a group effort, and a lot of applauses and credit goes to the whole analytics team and especially Nischay for coming out with this brilliant idea, and we were able to, I believe, to a larger extent brilliantly execute. I'm hoping for more of such sessions to come from all the practices. We will host it. This, I think, is something that we should never stop. I feel we are really good at it. So let's continue with this. Cool. Thank you.
Yeah. I'm actually short of words now. I'm actually short of words. So I would like to thank all of the analytics team, who helped, who were actually so interested and actually they're excited, for the content. And a big thanks to Sid, who was, we had Sid was, in calls for each of the content team, and he was personally there to make sure that all of this content is world class, and we we had to do sanity checks and dry runs, pre-dry runs, and you name it. Sid was there everywhere. So I mean, big thanks to Sid and Ajay for this. And I think it was a great experience. It's almost 9 weeks. So when we thought about it, when we came about this idea, we researched about it, and it was written that these kind of events require approximately 5 to 6 months of uh, preparing time to do it, and we had just 8 weeks. But I think we did a good job, and all of us did their best, and we came up with a brilliant thing, and it executed very well. So big thanks to all the content team, the moderators, marketing team. Great, big thanks.
Swati,
come on camera. Don't be camera shy like Antra.
Not at all, not at all. So it's still sinking in as these 2 days have ended. I think a lot of preparation has gone in. People have thanked everyone, so I'm not going to take any more names. Everybody was a team in here. I think what has happened is that over these 2 days and also the whole preparation time, we've learned a bit more about ourselves, right? There are a lot of new things we've learned about ourselves and also about the others, right? Like, for example, the discovery of Sid being the best moderator, right? So a lot of new learnings for all of us to take along with, more than anything else. So thanks a lot, everyone, for pulling this together so successfully. That's all. Thank you.
Thank you, Sat. We love you. And Ashok, we want Ashok to say a few words. Dr. Ashok. On camera.
Hi, sir.
with his new look.
And we must compliment on your new look.
Achha.
When you came the first for
This is
the
being recorded, so I think we'll have this offline. But coming back to the topic,
why?
Since you called me,
When you came
called
on
me Arnab Goswami, I'll call you Veerappan.
Achha. Thank you.
Ashok looks like Veerappan.
So Ashok, when you came on the video, I was like, have we already invited the external speaker? Why is he here? Why is this gentleman on video? So I was just trying to be a little extra nice, and then I realized it's you. Seriously.
Achha. Thank you, Meenakshi. And to the team, to be really honest, my contribution was close to nothing. So Sid and Swati, they pulled me in 2 days ago, and I just tried to catch up and try to support where I can. In terms of the work, content, and Sailesh put together most of the content that I spoke about. You can just call me the voice, but the whole content structure was put together by, I think, Sailesh, Anushya, and with the support from Swati. So again, thanks a lot, guys. And I think this is an inspiration for other practices. To be really honest, when Ajay said we want to host an external facing event, I was really scared to say how are we going to manage it, the whole infra piece, being to have something really unique to speak to the world that is not being said in the right way and with the right content and aesthetics. And it feels like we just spoke about this just a few weeks ago, and already the team, I'm really surprised how they found the time to do all this, right? So I'm just still not able to figure out the number of man hours that would have required and how you guys managed to do it, being the busiest practice in Thousand Trick, right? So you guys are already working on 3 or 4 live projects, so many POCs, proposals that we keep bugging you for, right? So in the midst of that, you managed to put together such an amazing event. I think it's such a high benchmark for the rest of the practices. We are both inspired and intimidated at the same time. So thanks a lot, guys. Awesome.
Thank you, Ashok. Love you.
Okay, so we'll now have to let go of everybody who's been waiting so far. Akash, you want to say a quick few seconds?
Sure, I think. Sure.
Option to talk today, so just kidding. Yeah.
Yes, so me being the youngest in this company, as far as this group is concerned, I'm really happy I landed up here, whatever good things I've done in the past. It was my second day when Nishchay asked me that would you want to be the moderator for a session, and I said yes. And today I ended up doing 2 hours, both the session talks. So from that to content creation for the last whole week, it's been just phenomenal. And again, thank you everyone for listening and hearing me out.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank
Thank
you
you.
all.
Man.
Have a great weekend. And analytics team, I shall get in touch with you very soon.
Thank you all. You guys deserve a great party. Have a wonderful weekend.
It's time for this now.
Yes. It's time for cheers.
Thank you all.